Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious blueberry muffins. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of blueberries, either fresh or frozen. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even baking and a perfect rise. We'll combine dry ingredients, then wet, for a consistent batter. Get ready for some amazing muffins. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine your eggs, milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Remember, don't overmix the batter. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins. We want them light and fluffy, so mix until just combined, then gently fold in those beautiful blueberries. Once your batter is just combined, it's time for the star of the show, the blueberries. Gently fold in 1 1/2 cups of berries. Be careful not to crush them. Now, spoon the batter into your muffin liners, filling each about 2/3 full. This allows them to rise beautifully. Bake in your preheated oven for 18 to 22 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Your kitchen should smell amazing right now. Once baked, let your muffins cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents sticking. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While they're delicious warm, cooling them fully helps develop their texture. Now, grab one, maybe two, and enjoy your perfectly baked, homemade blueberry muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.